One of the main rules is that the consonant rieul is nasalized when it follows these two batchims. So when the rieul initial follows a mieum batchim, like in this example, ryo, su, the rieul sound is nasalized to make a nieun sound, and we get 음료수, 음료수. And when the rieul initial follows a ieung batchim, the rieul sound is nasalized to make a nieun sound, like in this example. Instead of saying 종로, we say 종로. In Korean, we nasalize 3 batchim sounds when they are followed by certain consonants. And do you remember the final consonant rule? We learned that all these consonants in the final position only make 3 sounds: the Giyeok sound, the Digeut sound, and the Bieup sound. And when one of these 2 consonants follows any of these 3 batchim sounds, they become nasalized. Let me break down this rule for you so we understand how each batchim sound is nasalized. Okay, so the first sound is the Giyeok batchim sound, and all of these consonants in the batchim position make the Giyeok sound. Now let's have a look at the words on the screen. Instead of saying 작년, we nasalize the Giyeok sound and we say 작년. And instead of saying 깎는다, it's 깎는다. And instead of saying 읽는다, we say 읽는다. The Giyeok sound is nasalized and it makes a ieung sound. Let's have a look at more examples. Not 박만, but 방만. And instead of 흑만, we say 흑만. And rather than 국물, we say 국물. So the rule here will be the Giyeok sound becomes nasalized before a nieun or mieum initial. And when the Giyeok batchim sound is nasalized, it makes a ieung sound. The second sound is the Digeut batchim sound, and all of these consonants in the batchim position make the Digeut sound. Let's read the words on the screen. Instead of saying 씻네, we say 씻네. And instead of 맞는, we nasalize the Digeut sound and we say 맞는. So the Digeut sound is nasalized and it makes a nieun sound. More examples, instead of 겉만, we say 겉만. And instead of 몇 명, we say 몇 명. So the rule here will be the Digeut sound becomes nasalized before a nieun or mieum initial. And the Digeut batchim sound makes a nieun sound. The third sound is the Bieup batchim sound. And all of these consonants in the batchim position make the Bieup sound. So let's read the words on the screen. Instead of saying 없네, we say 없네. And not 합니다, we say 합니다. Can you hear that the Bieup sound is nasalized and makes a mieum sound? 합니다. More examples, instead of saying 10만, we say 10만. And rather than 갑만, we say 갑만. So the rule here will be the Bieup sound becomes nasalized before a nieun or mieum initial, and the Bieup batchim sound makes a mieum sound. Now, before we move on to the practice test, let's just summarize what we learned so far. So first, we learned that the rieul is nasalized and it becomes a nieun sound before the mieum and ieung batchims. Like, for example, instead of 통로, we say 통로. Next, we look at the nasalization of the Giyeok, Digeut, Bieup final sounds when they are followed by a nieun or a mieum initial. So Giyeok is nasalized to ieung, Digeut is nasalized to nieun, and Bieup is nasalized to mieum. So we understand that sounds are nasalized through 3 Korean consonants, and they are nieun, mieum, and ieung. Now we learned how and when Korean sounds are nasalized, let's read some words together. And remember to like and subscribe for more Korean lessons with me. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.
대통령 잡는다 밟는다 입는다 먹는다 능력 닫는다 쫓는다 음력 붙는다 밥 먹는다 막내 정리하다 긁는다 걷는다 먹는다 등록 강릉 안문 읽는다